Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. Today I'm planning to make a very beautiful little floral design which is supposed to be very loose. So let's see how this turns up. So I'm using brush number 8 today. I might use brush number 6 or 2 if required, but mostly I'll be using this large 8 number brush to cover up the space. So this will be a little loose bouquet. I haven't planned out anything, but let's see how it turns out. So the first thing, I'll start with making a rose. For that, let's pick up a color. You can pick up any color. So with a clean brush, I'm thinking of taking some red. Okay, my red is here, and let's start. So the first thing I'll be doing is I'll be making little C. The center is pretty tight and curled up, right? And to make those curls, we are making this C shape. So my bouquet is supposed to, one flower is supposed to look this side, one this side, one this side. So the center of each will be a little tilted, and this one is basically looking that side. So the top part is like this, and now I'll be picking up some water, clean water, and I'll start to flare up. So the top part is not very flared, but the bottom is pretty flared. Pick up some water. Alright, so my rose is almost done. Okay, you have to leave some white space in the center so that you can figure out the difference. Okay, so my rose is done. Let me make one more flower here. For that, let me just first pick up some brown. And let's make the center. So as I said, this is going to look this side. So I'm making the center like this. We might come and touch up in the end, but for now, the center is good. Let me pick up a purple color and let's start making the petals. So with lots of water, I am making the petals. So my brush has a lot of water. Okay. Let me lift some color off this because this is very dark. I don't want that. It should look uniform, right? Okay, so my second flower is done. And now let's go ahead and make the third flower. So third, again, I'm thinking of rose. So let me just pick up an orange color, a very bright orange. And this is looking this side. So the center is going to be here. So with slight C motion, we made the center, pick up some water and start to flare out. More water. Leave some white space. All right. By the look, you can figure out that this rose is looking this side. So our 3 main flowers are done. Now we will make some sides, okay? So for the sides, let's make some greens, and if required, some more things. So for the green, let me just make up a color. I'm taking this green color. I hope you can see my palette. I'm picking up this green, and to it, let me mix in some brown. All right, so this has become pretty goldenish green, and this is exactly what I need. So let's make a leaf here. So you can do a 1-stroke leaf, but I sometimes do like that. Okay. As I'm not able to change my setup, it's already pasted. I just did like this, okay? This is done. Let me clean up my brush And let me just dry this brush a little, and with brown let me just make the stem. Okay, let it bleed through. So this leaf is done. Let's pick up the green again. Let's make some more leaf. I would really like you all to move your sheet as per your comfort. I'm not doing it because my sheet is pasted, but then with that only I'm trying to manage. Okay, so my two set of leaf is done. Let me do some more leaf out here. Okay, all right, now there's a space here, so I'm thinking of placing some berries. For that I've cleaned up my brush. Let me pick up some gorgeous red color and start making the berries. So make these berries pretty bright. It will look beautiful once done. All right, this set is done. Let me do this set. Pick up some water, some color. I was an acrylic painter, but I picked up watercolor just for florals, especially because I'm in love with these dreamy kind of flowers and I'm loving every bit of this. So yeah, let's connect them. So all right, berries are connected. Let's make the stem for this one. All right, these berries are connected. Let's make some berries out here as well to balance this out. Again, taking up red. Where shall I place? I think I'll place it towards this side. Let it bleed, don't worry about the bleed. In watercolor, that's the beauty of colors bleeding into each other. Okay, this is done. And with the green, let me just make one more leaf here, just to show that it's between this. All right, this floral arrangement is done. Now let's bind all together. So for that, let me just pick up some orange color. Let's splatter this up. Okay, let me just pick up probably red as well. And with a lot of water, let's splatter this up. All right, so this is done. And just the last thing, just for the pop of color, I'm taking some brown and I'm just doing the center. All right, our pretty little floral design is now ready. Let's remove and see how it looks. Alright guys, so our beautiful florals are now ready. I hope yours turned out this good as well. Do share it with me under my Facebook page or on Instagram. Tag me at Easy Paintings by Ishita and let me know how yours turned out. So thank you so much for joining. See you next time. You'll have a lovely day. Bye bye.